Next one, ordered pairs. Once again, set up by using the same table of values, -1, 0, and 1. Always, that's going to be our x values. Now this one's going to end up a little off the graph, and we'll show you how to deal with that in a second. So the first one we end up with, it gets a 15. And the reason we get a 15 is we end up with y equals 10 minus 1 times -1. And that we're getting right from here. That's the linear relation we're using. All right? So once we use that linear relation, we basically say, okay, well, that basically sets it up to say y equals 10 plus 5. So that means that -1 is 15. The second one, 0 for 10, gets us where we look at it as y equals 10 minus 5 times 0. Well, 5 times 0 is 0. So 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. So that's our second ordered pair. And then our third ordered pair ends up at 1, 5. And we get that by basically showing it from there. Y equals 10 minus 5 minus times 1. I should say times 1, not minus 1. So 10 minus 5 times 1. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. That gets us our answer of 5 for the y. So in each case, all we're doing is we're just simply putting the number in where the value is, taking the number where the value is, taking the number, putting it in where the x value is, and basically working out the equation. And that's how we get our numbers. Now, like I said, this one goes off the chart a little bit, and that's okay. It would go off a lot worse if we didn't use these three numbers. So what we want to do is we want to show it by going -1, 15. Now, 15 is off the chart, as you can see. So what I did was I just basically extrapolated it by just putting 5 little tick marks above it, and those 5 little tick marks get me where I need to go. So it's -1, 15, 0, 10, 0, 10, always starting at the origin, and then 1, 5. Now remember, guys, it's always x value first, then y value second. Okay, so we deal with the 0, start at the origin, then we go the x value of -1, up 15, then we deal with the x value of 0, up positive 10, pardon me, and then positive 1, up positive 5. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one.